Hello everyone, this is Suparna. Welcome to my channel PK Pops. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, I request you to please subscribe and hit the ring bell for further notifications. So recently I celebrated my daughter's third birthday and it was a Peppa Pig theme as she loves it. So in today's video, I'm going to share 8 super easy birthday decoration ideas. These ideas are very cute, low budget and they are very easy to make. They don't need any special accessories. I've mostly used paper, glue, ribbons, tips and bits, that's it. So without wasting more time, let's get started. So this is the place which I'm going to decorate. First is balloon garland without any accessories. For making a balloon garland, I'm only using ribbon and balloons. So for ribbon, you have to make a loop like this and you have to tie the end of the balloon through the loop and fix it. Just try to add the balloons as close as possible. I have fixed the balloon garland on a curtain rod. So I have attached one end using another cutting of a ribbon and then I have attached the other part on the curtain rod as you can see in the video. You can leave the ribbons on the ends hanging like a tassel. It's completely up to you and your choice. You should fix the garland on the curtain rod from various points. It depends on the length of the curtain rod. Well, I have fixed it from 3 to 4 points. To fill in the gaps, you can use these long balloons. Just twist them and fill the gaps. They will make your balloon garland look more pretty. Next, we'll make a balloon tree without any accessories. I have used 5 of these long balloons and from one end I have twisted them randomly one over another so that they are fixed together. Like this. Then I have used 3 balloons and twisted them together to make a bunch. In these 3 balloons, I have filled a little water like half a cup in each so that they become a little heavy. Just fix these 5 long balloons together and tie them in a ribbon. To increase the height of the tree, use another 3 balloons in a bunch and place this unit on the other unit. Here we go, our balloon tree is ready. Now let's move on to the third one, that is clouds and raindrop background. For this, you have to draw cloud shape on a sheet of paper and cut it. And simply you can paste it on the glass, window or wall wherever you are doing the decoration using cello tape. Just draw the facial expressions using sketch pen and make these small tiny raindrops and rainbow and paste them together. Here we go, it looks really cute in day and night if you paste it on a glass. Now let's move on to the fourth idea, that is a birthday number. It is Peppa Pig theme and 3 number. For the decoration I have used these glitter foam sheets. For this I have used a carton. You can decorate it as you want it and according to the theme of your birthday. This is how it will look like. Next is going to be our customized photo props. Simply take out printouts and cut them. You can also paint them or draw them on a piece of paper. For holding them, you can use straw, cardboard strip, or any stick if you have them. The best part about DIY photo props are that you can write customized captions on them. For the big ones, used a strip like this on the back side. Then we are going to make danglers. Again, these are Peppa Pig themes. You can use any of them. Take a printout or paint them on a paper, cut them and dangle them using a ribbon or any strip. Here we go, they will look like this. Next, we are going to make a Peppa Pig cutout. Again, I have used cardboard. Simply draw them and you can also engage your kids in painting it. I have pasted the second hand from the top side to give a 3D look. You can decorate it with glitter paper. For the crown also, I have used glitter foam sheet to make it look more shiny. And this is how our Peppa Pig cutout will look like. Last, we are going to make a 3D paper decoration. For this, you need A4 size sheet. You have to fold it into half and again fold it into half. To draw the shapes, you just have to make half of this. Like for heart, you have to make half heart. For parachute, you have to make half parachute. For butterfly, you have to make half butterfly. Then you have to cut them. We need 2 of each for each unit, like this, 2. So then you have to apply a little glue and paste it just from the center, like this. You can mix and match the colors as you like it. Just apply a little glue and keep it folded for a few seconds. This is how it's gonna look like. Our 3D units are ready. Now we are going to see how we have to paste it on a strip. I have used thin strips of my quilling kit. You can use the strips or ribbon, whatever you want. The placement, distance, shapes, colors, everything can be as per your requirement. You just have to apply a little glue and paste it like this. So here we go, our paper strips decoration will look like this. Hope you liked my today's video. If you did, don't forget to share with your friends and family who are going to celebrate their kids or family's birthday very soon. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Also, let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite idea. Thank you for watching my video. Take care. Bye-bye.